Alright, so today, instead of searching for fidgets at Walmart, we're going to search for them at Target this time. Is that right?
Yes.
Or we can search for them at Lowe's.
No! No!
Okay.
Okay, we're here. Ah! Stop. Okay, is it paused?
Okay.
Alright, is it unpaused?
Yep.
Alright, we're in Target now.
What?
Get out of the way, honey. Right about now so people can get in.
Huh? What? Okay.
It's not bubble. Oh, they're water squirters.
Are these fidgets?
No.
Oh, there's food now. Cotton candy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tie dye good.
Boring.
Really boring. That's to make tie dye. It's something cool.
Yeah.
Play it for the bathtub.
Oh.
What?
That's neat, huh?
And
That's how that works. Oh, it's soap.
Oh, it is?
That's neat, huh?
that is oh, look at these stupid looking balls.
These?
Slime.
What?
Alright, we're gonna go close when you pause that.
Okay.
Okay, this is my.
Shooting some dumb Zoe. Alright, go.
Okay, so it's on pause right now. Isn't it? It's on pause.
Yeah, it's unpaused.
So we're walking. Go. Why? My pants fell down too. Sounds like. Oh my. Pants fell off. Jeez. He needs surgery. You said lots of people filmed it. Not a bad place to film.
Shh, 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 shh. Don't say that in front of the employees. Just don't say anything that like we're recording in front of the employees.
Not a bad place to film.
I know that they think we're doing something.
It's a good place to film.
Okay, don't say that anymore.
Okay. The baby toy train. Here's the toy. All of those. Big. Okay. There's a ball.
Here, can you videotape me for a second? Mom.
These are cute.
I wanna.
Oh.
No, the other way. No, the
Uh-oh.
other way.
you done filming yourself?
Okay, that's it.
This is so. Ew. This is weird.
Sorry, excuse me. Here, this is what you want right here.
Where?
Probably something in here. Okay. Oh, that's weird.
It feels weird. No. Fuzzball. This is weirdo. He's a weird.
Well,
I told you they have weird toys here.
Push palms.
if you want little pretenders.
Weird.
We're dropping everything.
Weird. Whatever it is.
You can sit there.
Whatever. Okay. Bunch of garbage. Okay, so we're looking through this stuff. Sounds crappy. Fingerling.
Yeah,
What was that?
I don't know.
Someone's Oh, this is stupid. This is stupid. Look at her. Looks like she pooed her pants. Dispenser candy? Whatever. These are cute. Like, they're super cute.
Yeah.
Belinda. She's cute. What?
Open.
Wait up. What the heck? Heck. Okay, none of these look like
I know.
Why would she lead us? Okay, here's putty. But it's just
Yeah.
putty. Oh, so here's a bracelet. Boring.
Yeah.
These are super cute.
Mhm.
Dang it. Okay, here's one that'll surprise you. It's like, that's pretty. They're cute. Whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. One tattoo. Okay, there's a bunch of good. Oh, okay. Peppa Pig. Yay. Blah, blah. Zoe Zebra, that's my name, Zoe. Blah, blah, blah. You dare me?
Go ahead.
No. Ow, you go ahead. Creepy.
Uh-huh.
They're creepy. I'm gonna start at door. The only thing in here is a race car. Yay. That, I don't know what that is. Okay, there's an S word on it.
Yeah.
It's just Series 5. I totally love the box. People People are weirdos. Someone stole something again, like we found last time. It's annoying. Oh yay, there's candy. We should buy these. Buy this. She doesn't.
Oh, okay. I was like, if she's not here, we can do whatever we want.
And fill with candy. Okay, you have to fill it with candy. Lame. Oh, hi. Ah. Hello. Da, da, da. Why does stuff keep falling? What the heck is this? Oh, it's filled with candy.
Who would buy that?
Me? Yeah, I know. I'm that dumb kind of person. Look how stupid. You have to build an eraser. That's lame. Who's gonna watch this video?
I don't know.
No one. Hello. What's a garbage here? What else looks interesting? The heck is this? Two cute pets inside. She's cute. Like one of those. Weird. Someone stole again. There's a hole. Someone stole it. It's stealers. These are realistic. Yeah, this. Oh, look how much puzzle pieces. Wait, hold on. That's how much puzzle pieces.
750.
Jeez. These are all so. Oh. Everyone loves him. Baby Yoda.
Mm-hmm.
He's cute. Sorry, did I not show him up? Cute. So, anything interesting?
I grabbed a big chunk of it, but there's no with it.
Flush dang. This sounds empty. They call them plush danglers. That's stupid. Some people have such stupid things
I know.
to put in storage sometimes. Weird. What the heck is this? Puzzle racing.
There's too much troll stuff.
I know, look, trolls. I don't know. Oh, here's more trolls. My gosh! Who would want trolls? I pooed my pants. All the way over there.
Your page.
Hello, I pooed my pants. Just look at her stupid face. Hello. We better catch up because there's nothing good here.
Yeah.
Look how stupid this guy is. It's a potato. There's nothing good there.
I know. What's the point of?
Magic 8 ball.
What do you mean?
Oh. Tronic. I wanted one.
At least it's more stuff than Walmart.
I really want a magic 8 ball.
sorts of slime and stuff.
I see some really, those are really good. Heads up. Oh, look, like a pig. He's naked. Don't look at him. Oh, here's slime. I love slime.
Look at all the different kind of slime. This stuff that looks like cookie dough.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Yeah, this doesn't seem like Target.
What if it is
You
Target?
should price one that's like specific stuff.
Oh,
What
the heck?
They don't really have that much today.
maybe everyone buys stuff. Oh, cookie dough. This is stupid. Look, there's like fake cookies in there. Here's slime.
Pound puppies, you're my only little puppy love. They're sad and lonely. Are these like 80s toys?
They are. That's exactly what
I could tell the print, light bright.
Mm-hmm.
Are these old too, the Care Bears?
Yeah.
Wow.
Strawberry shortcake.
You can't try me.
That's really
You
creepy.
can't try me. You can't try me. Like, there's seriously
Kind
no
of lying
hole.
to you there. Pound puppies.
Huh?
Oh, you have to push really hard. You have to push so hard.
Yeah, don't push too hard.
Yeah, have your camera breaking something. Here, come on down here.
I can hear.
It's like a watermelon popsicle. It seems like a really weird combination.
But the man and popsicles.
Is this soft, Jim?
soft. These are soft.
They're really soft.
So,
What's that pink thing?
what the
What's
heck?
this?
This is not soft.
Peach?
But,
It's really soft.
this
Kinda
is
weird.
not soft.
Yeah, he's in the wrong spot.
These are cute. Felicia. I'm gonna call her Felicia. Her name is
Felicia?
Fizz. Her name is Fizz. That's stupid. She's cute. A lot of these are super. Oh, that's weird. Hi. Come on, we have to get. A lot of slime.
Not a whole lot going on, huh?
I know. Seems like it's going out of business.
What are we
That's what it looks
searching
like.
for here?
Oh, that's kind of... Wait, can you record me real quick? Can you record me real quick?
I wanted one of these. Oh, this is nice.
Okay, hold on.
Well, you turned it, so we quit doing it. There you go.
Yeah. Sure. Here, I'll do.
We should pay for this.
Sorry, girls. What do you think? Here's something that you like.
Huh? Oh! Yeah, that's a stress ball.
Oh, okay. See? A bunch of them up here, too. What's this one?
How do they feel?
Can we get this?
You need that, too?
Uh-huh.
What color do you want?
I'll just take
You need a
this.
stress ball, Zoe?
I'll just take this.
You want that?
Uh-huh.
You want nails? Squeeze that one.
Here, let me try.
It's weird and it's kind of hard. I'm getting that.
What are you gonna do with this? You put Penny's face in it.
This is weird. Stress balls are kind of weird.
Squeeze it really, really hard. There you go.
You have to squeeze them
I like that
hard.
one.
It's weird. Look at this. It's squeezing out its blood.
Alright, you done looking here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Just a
something.
fail.
I got something
Kinda.
new.
Kind of a fail.
heck
Do you want to look
is?
at anything else in
Oh,
here?
look at this. Look at this. You just squish it.
Hello? Do you want to look at anything else in here?
Maybe.
Oh,
I
here's
need to
another
look at-
one.
get
Here's
some
another one.
allergy medicine, so I need to walk up front.
Okay.
Oh, look how cool this one.
Well, let's go up front and then let's go to like. Do you want this for real? Do you want this for real?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm just squishing this. This is weird.
We'll look like by the school supplies and party stuff. Maybe there'll be something up there. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Everybody find something they want. All right.
Yep.
Let's
I've
go.
always wanted one of these.
Cool.
What are these?
That's for me and Uncle Bill for the beach at the pool.
Mm-hmm.
Adults only.
Wow. Just kidding.
All right. Oh, you guys have your own stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. You want to pause that one?
Sure.
Scribble, scribble.
Scribble, 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 scribble. Mm.
Cute. Weird. He's stupid looking. Very stupid looking. That's cool. These are all cute. Oh, I love aqua beads. I've always wanted aqua beads.
You did?
I got this.
Hey, don't get kidnapped. We're going right over here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's a cool.
Dream big.
Squishy diary. Oh, feel this. It's so weird.
Okay.
It's so weird. There's a cool pen. Contents on back. Let's go.
Okay.
She's actually.
This is fun.
Anything?
Ellie's Target has more fidgets than at Walmart.
Find more?
No.
All right. Pause it.
Just
We're walking.
crafts her. Oh.
If anyone cares, here's a medicine aisle. Humidifiers.
I like.
What is this? This snot sucker that you suck it out of a kid's nose?
What the heck?
Mom, look at
Ew.
this.
That's gross.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Now. Me too.
Yeah. After this, can we go to Chick-fil-A?
Should we record ourselves eating?
No, that's odd.
What's odd?
Recording ourselves eating.
Odd.
Or record the
You don't think
milkshakes
this
we
is
want.
odd?
It's not as odd as an ASMR video.
Oh, there's glasses.
All right, come on, girl.
Okay.
More glasses.
You guys are like. You sort of never been to this country before.
There's a Target dog. He's weird. He's weird.
Yep.
Thought you wouldn't bring your phone, but you did. You love making YouTube videos.
Sorry.
Alright. More items.
Okay.
Remember that thing that says aspirin right there? Yep. That's what I look.
Why did I say all this medicine?
Yes, I need all my medicine. My medicine. And I'm out of stuff for my headaches.
I thought it was Uncle Bill's.
What's that?
I thought it was Uncle Bill's.
I have a heart condition.
Leg condition, heart condition in this family.
There's a leg condition. Oh, you?
That's my hand.
Alright. Are we done?
I'm gonna play with this in this one.
Yeah, I think we're done.
Okay.
I
should shut that down.
Alright, bye guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.